How to set the keyboard mode to standard, one-handed, or floating keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And then on the home screen, we swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings panel. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. Now in here, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then we scroll down and then tap on mode. Now in here, you can change your keyboard mode for portrait view or landscape view. So from the list here, you can select between standard keyboard, one-handed keyboard, or floating keyboard. So here, if we open up the text messages app, and I'll just go back here, and if I start bring up the keyboard, this is the floating keyboard right here. As you can see, it is floating. You can move it around the screen. If you want, you can then change the mode to simply a standard keyboard where it is fixed at the bottom of the screen. So here I'll bring up the keyboard again, and now the keyboard is locked to the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.